Students, we will look at the eighth numerical in psychometry. For a given sample of moist air, the wet bulb and dry bulb temperatures have been measured as 30 degrees centigrade and 45 degrees centigrade respectively. Assume total pressure to be 1 bar. Determine the following parameters for this air sample. First, A. Vapor pressure, B. Dew point temperature, C. Specific humidity, relative humidity and degree of saturation, D. Vapor density of air and enthalpy of air. So this is a very comprehensive problem where they are given you the total pressure, that is 1 bar, dry bulb temperature is 45 degrees centigrade and wet bulb is 30 degrees. So we have to find out all the other parameters of that air. Now see, straight away dry bulb temperature is given 45 degrees. So when dry bulb temperature is given, so straight away from the steam table saturation pressure is found out, that is 0.095 bar. Okay, and then specific volume is found out 15.28 meter cube per kg, and enthalpy is found out 25.82 kilojoules per kg. Okay, now at 30 degrees centigrade, the wet bulb temperature, when wet bulb is temperature, you will find out PS or PVS wet bulb, that is 0.0425 bar. Specific volume is 32.93 meter cube per kg, and H is equal to 126 kilojoules per kg. Now you can see how it is calculated. So using the carrier equation, when wet bulb temperature is given, then you have to use the carrier equation to find out the partial pressure of water vapor, that is PV. PV is equal to, instead of writing PVS wet bulb, we are writing straight away PS one. Okay, this is PVS wet bulb minus P total pressure minus PS wet bulb dBT minus WBT divided by 1547 minus 1.44 WBT. Now substituting the values here, we will find out that the PV is equal to 0.03285 bar. So when the PV is given, the straight away the corresponding dPT refers to the saturation temperature corresponding to the vapor pressure. So at T sat is equal to 0.328 bar, you have to find out. So from the steam tables, like interpolation, you find out, by using the interpolation you will find out the value comes out to be 25.58 degrees centigrade, that is the dew point temperature. Dew point temperature will be, please remember, always lower than the wet bulb temperature, and wet bulb temperature will be lower than the dry bulb temperature. Okay, now here you use the interpolation formula. Now specific humidity omega is equal to 0.622 PV divided by PT minus PV. So substituting the values, 0.622, PV is 0.03285 and P is 1, and PV1 minus PV, that is 0.0328. So we got the omega is 0.02113 kg of vapor per kg of dry air. Now relative humidity phi is equal to PV by PS. So PV is 0.0328, PS is equal to 0.0958. How we got this PS? This is saturation pressure for the dry bulb temperature. Dry bulb temperature PS is 0.0958 and the same PS we have taken. Okay. So we got the result as 0.3429. So relative humidity is 34.29%. Now saturation ratio mu is equal to 5 PT minus PS divided by PT minus PV. This is equal to 0.3429. PT is total pressure is 1 bar, PS is known, PV is known. So mu is saturation is 0.32 or 32%. Now vapor density is equal to reciprocal of the specific volume of the saturated air, that is 1 by 15.28. So you got 0.065 kg per meter cube. Okay, for moist air with relative humidity of 0.3429, the vapor density is equal to 0.06529 into 0.34. So you got it as 0.2243 kg per meter cube. I am talking about moist air, total air, because here the vapor relative humidity is 34%. Now enthalpy of